Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video we'll show you how to configure relay mode on the SKYDROID GR02 Relay Receiver. This tutorial demonstrates how two SKYDROID G Series transmitters can jointly control a single GR02 receiver, allowing seamless switching between the primary and secondary transmitters. For this demonstration we're using a SKydroid G16 as the primary transmitter and a SKydroid G30 as the secondary transmitter, both connected to a single GR02 relay receiver. First, let's configure the primary transmitter. Open Device Assistant on the G16. Before you begin, make sure the G16 has already been paired with the GR02 receiver. The pairing tutorial link is available in the video description below. Go to Wireless Settings, then open Transmitter Role Settings. Set the control protocol to primary. Then select a channel that will be used to switch control between the two transmitters. In this demonstration we use channel 10, which corresponds to the button located at the lower right corner of the G16 transmitter. After the configuration is complete, tap Save. Next, configure the secondary transmitter. Open Device Assistant on the G30, then go to Wireless Settings and open Transmitter Role Settings. Set the control protocol to secondary. Then enter the same MAC address used by the primary transmitter. Double-check that the information is correct and tap Save. When the system displays Settings Saved Successfully, the relay configuration for the secondary transmitter is complete. Now let's perform a practical test. First, use the primary transmitter to arm the motors. As you can see, the drone responds normally to the primary transmitter's commands. Next, press the switch button that we assigned earlier. Control will immediately transfer to the secondary transmitter. Now operate the sticks on the G30, and you'll see that the motors are being controlled by the secondary transmitter. Press the switch button once again, and control will instantly return to the primary transmitter. The entire switching process is seamless, there's no need to reconnect, and normal flight operation is not interrupted, enabling true seamless relay control. With the GR02's relay function, the primary and secondary transmitters can quickly transfer control during flight. This is especially useful in challenging applications such as mountainous terrain, beyond visual line of sight operations, and remote takeoff and landing, significantly improving the safety and reliability of UAV operations. That's it for this SKYDROID GR02 relay mode setup tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about GR02 setup tips, wiring tutorials and flight tests, don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll see you in the next video.